Let's count zoo animals. How many zebras in this picture? Eight zebras. How many giraffes in this picture? Ten giraffes. How many iguanas in this picture? Four iguanas. How many lions in this picture? Six lions. How many parrots in this picture? Five parrots. How many bears in this picture? Nine bears. How many pandas in this picture? Two pandas. How many snakes in this picture? Three snakes. How many otters in this picture? Seven otters. How many camels in this picture? Five camels. How many tigers in this picture? Ten tigers. How many foxes in this picture? Three foxes. How many elephants in this picture? Ten elephants. How many koalas in this picture? Six koalas. Great job, kids. Thanks for watching.